Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give complete explanation about Cognizant Infra role for freshers from all over India. So watch the video till end, don't skip out. If you skip, you will miss so many content. Before going to that, just subscribe and like my channel. If you have any doubt, comment me. This is what they from PDF from infrared off campus from which is going to be in Cognizant, which they mentioned the skill set and everything they mentioned. Engineering training and graduate training is nothing that BSc and engineering students all can apply cloud infrastructure and security CA services, which they mentioned. The CTC for engineering student 4 LPA for graduation 2.5 they mentioned here. Why Cognizant, everything they can mention. The registration process, this is what they mentioned, registration, and if you are eligible they will send the communication assessment link. First one will be a communication assessment, then only aptitude test and the interview and the offer letter and the training period they can mention. The eligible criteria we are going to see now. Engineering from BE, BTech, ME, MTech all can apply for only full time. So graduation is UG, which BSc, BCom all can apply. BBA from 3 years only full time they can mention. 3 months to 12 months experience in voice, a call center or desktop, any IT desk you can mention here, and you can start apply. 50% eligible criteria. No arrears should be there. Candidate need to 50% in the university with no arrears in the graduation. Year of passing from 19 to 2022. You can share this video to your friends, those who got passed out in 19 to 2022. And how to apply. Mandatory document for registration. Registration link will be shared to scanned upload. This is document for interview. Student should carry a soft copy of following document with the maximum resume and with a high resolution passport size photograph, checked all background, which they mention college and a mark sheet, Aadhaar card and degree certificate, for which document for you student should carry. This is after the examination your offer letter. And this is what they mention here as a job description and the key skills and candidate to disclaimer. If you have any doubt, you just contact this mail. Gen Z HCR complaint from all over India. This is what the home page which you are seeing. The deadline will be tomorrow. Apply as much quickly. CTC everything we can see it in the document itself. Call center students also can apply. They mention voice and technical and desktop, no problem. So no arrear should be there. No standing arrear or before arrear is there means no problem. Now currently should not have any arrear. So this is what the SuperSet account. This is what the SuperSet account. You should create account in SuperSet and start applying. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Tomorrow is the last date to apply. 19th is the last date which they mention. So apply as much quickly. If you have any doubt, comment me. I will surely help you guys. Thanks for watching.